Update on the refrigerant recovery on this 2009 550 GL Mercedes. Okay, I told you about the leak in the last video that we found down here at the condenser. The shop tech uses a different brand dye than I used, and I recommend. He still hasn't ran out. He'll probably buy mine later, but only after he uses up his, because he doesn't do a lot of air conditioning. But I put my dye in the system for like 3 or 4 minutes, and in 3 or 4 minutes the light would not show nothing. But when I put my dye in, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's just a little tiny speck the size of a head of a pin showing up, and within 3 or 4 minutes, but it would not luminesce his dye. And I tried to luminesce in his caps and everything, it wouldn't luminesce. So the quality of dyes makes a difference. Not only that, 1,025 grams is what came out. 3 months he charged it up full with 1,220 grams. 200 grams short. 200 grams is 7 ounces of refrigerant for you guys in the US who don't use grams or metric. I'll do the math for you. That's nearly a half pound of refrigerant. A half pound of refrigerant missing on a very hot day makes a very, very big difference. Especially this is a dual AC system and it has an air conditioning system in the back. Condenser's gonna come, new condenser. The receiver dryer is the big type long one down there that's about 20 inches long. So a new receiver dryer, a new condenser, we'll fill it back up. Only thing has me concerned is them saying it turned off 100% totally after 6 hours of constant drive time. I'm banking that of possibly overheating, a heat related problem. That's definitely, I could put it towards whether it's a component going into safety and shutting something off or not. That I'm not sure of. We're in San Francisco, it's only 70 some degrees right now, and there's no way for me to repeat that. The heat wave that's been around in the Bay Area for 100+ degrees every day for the last few days seems to calm down now, so it's not going to return for a while. But that's it. The story on this one will come back after we replace the condenser and receiver dryer.